Hello everyone, welcome back to Fluent English UK. Today, we're going somewhere delicious.
Hey Mary! Hello everyone! Oh, I have a feeling I know where we're going.
Really? Tell me.
We're going to a restaurant!
Oh yes, I love restaurants, but ordering in English can sometimes be a little tricky.
Exactly! There are menus, waiters, too many choices, and sometimes total confusion.
Listeners, your turn. What do you say when you enter a restaurant?
You can say, "Table for two, please."
Perfect, very natural.
But what if the restaurant is full?
Good question. You can say, do you have a table available?
Nice! That sounds very polite.
All right, now we are sitting, and the waiter is coming.
Oh no! I'm not ready.
Relax, Alex. It's just a restaurant, not an exam.
It feels like an exam. Too many words. Too much pressure.
Don't worry. Take your time. Speak slowly.
Hello? I would like,
Oh no, he's stuck.
My brain stopped working. I look at the menu. I look at the waiter. And I say, chicken, rice, water. Everything.
Everything? Alex?
Yes, I panicked. I didn't know what to choose.
This happens to everyone. Listeners, help Alex. What should he say?
Yes, don't panic. Just correct yourself.
Perfect. Clear and simple.
And for drinks? Can I have some water, please?
Very polite. Very nice.
But wait, the waiter asks. Still or sparkling water?
Oh, this question again.
I freeze. I don't move. I don't speak. I just look at him.
Alex is broken. Listeners, do you know the difference? Still water or sparkling water?
I just say, still water, please.
Good choice. Safe choice.
Okay, now the food. I look at the menu again.
And?
Too many options. Pasta, pizza, burger, salad.
Welcome to real life English.
All right, I decide. I'll have the pasta, please.
Perfect. Strong decision.
But wait. Wait.
What now?
I change my mind.
Oh no, Alex.
Sorry. Can I change my order?
Yes, that's correct and natural.
The waiter is confused. I'm confused. Everyone is confused.
This is not a restaurant. This is a comedy show.
Exactly. Learning English should be fun.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
And confidence is more important than perfection.
Oh look, the food is here.
Wait, this is not what I ordered.
What happened?
Wrong dish.
Don't worry. You can say, sorry, this is not my order.
Very useful sentence.
Listeners, your turn. Say it.
Practice every day.
Learning English is fun.
And real life makes it better.
Thank you for listening.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
Don't forget to practice your English.
And see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Oh, we forgot something, Mary. Don't forget to support us by subscribing, dear viewer, and pressing the like button. Share this video, and thank you.